बात इस वक्त की अहम खबर के साथ नई दिल्ली में 2 रोजा नो मनी फॉर टेरर कॉन्फ्रेंस शुरू हो गई है। पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी ने इनॉग्रल स्पीच में दुनिया को दहशतगर्दी से दरपेश खतरे से मिलकर मुकाबले करने की जरूरत पर जोर दिया। पीएम ने कहा कि एकजुट होकर और जीरो टॉलरेंस के नजरिए से टेरर को हराया जा सकता है। पीएम मोदी ने पाकिस्तान का नाम लिए बगैर पड़ोसी मुल्क पर निशाना साधा। उन्होंने कहा कि कुछ देश दहशतगर्दी को अपनी फॉरेन पॉलिसी के रूप में सपोर्ट करते हैं।
Friends, it is significant that this conference is happening in India. Our country faced the horrors of terror long before the world took serious note of it. Over the decades, terrorism in different names and forms tried India. We lost thousands of precious lives, but we have fought terrorism bravely. The delegates have a chance to interact with a country and people who have been firm in tackling terror. We consider that even a single attack is one too many. Even a single life lost is one too many. So, we will not rest till terrorism is uprooted. Friends, this is a very important gathering. It should not be seen as a gathering of ministers only. It deals with a subject that impacts entire humanity. The long-term impact of terrorism is particularly hard on the poor and on the local economy. Be it tourism or trade, nobody likes an area that is constantly under threat. And due to this, the livelihoods of people are taken away. It is all the more important that we strike at the root of terror financing. Friends, in today's world, ideally, there should be no need for anyone to remind the world of the dangers of